we had lit Todd Lane Baseball Complex with the Musco system, 2 smaller fields. And that was the first time we had used Musco in several years. And I saw how easy that system went in, how fast it went in, how the poles went together, and the control that our staff has with the lights. We're able to get reporting on those very quickly, an annual use. You know, if it's raining, we can turn them off from our car. We can turn them off and on from wherever we're at. But also, you know, Musco sends us a message saying, hey, you got a light out, a fuse out, or something of that nature. And it's very helpful to the staff. But I think the main thing I looked at was the quality of light. When I walked on those fields and I saw how evenly lit the fields were, and I'm thinking about the youth and the kids, and there's a safety part of that you got to look at too. And I saw how even the infield was lit at the foot candle we called for, and then the outfield was the same way, and there was not really hot spots. Everything was lit as I expected, or even better. To me and to our staff, the warranty was a big deal. 25 years of pretty much no touching the system and somebody taking care of that for you. You know, I felt like as a director, whoever follows me will have that in place. I also felt like the town, it was a good deal for the town, for them not to have to worry about that. The investment was worth it. You know, I think a lot of us come from the parks world when there was all-time lights out. You were dealing with something, they were turning off with a breaker, and there was all-time something you were dealing with, and that's kind of went away, and that's just one less thing for us to deal with. Our neighbors were important to us. You know, these homes that are behind us to the south were built before we finished the park, so we worked with Musco to make sure that we didn't have a whole lot of spill light, and they did good. I mean, one thing that they told us is you better plan to light what you want to light, because there's no spill light unless you plan on it, and that is so true. But I think, you know, just driving down the road when I was coming here tonight, just seeing what we've lit up is exactly what we wanted to light and no more. But the quality of light that we're getting at the price of usage that we're getting has been phenomenal. Well, as a parks director myself, if I was giving advice to fellow parks directors or maintenance staff or what have you, in regards to lighting, I would be looking at the quality of light. I would be looking at the ease of installation. I'd also be looking at that warranty and the support that you get from whatever vendor that might be. With Musco, I've seen it all. All those things are very strong. They're here when you need them. We're working on some other parks and design with Musco, and you know, it's very important to people that's in my shoes to have those things.